Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Qazi Muhammad Yasir. Our topic is bank reconciliation handling tips. As an accounting, how to manage bank reconciliation. Step 1: if you are managing reconciliation of small business or small industry, first you need to get bank statements on a regular basis, monthly or yearly. Then you also need to compare on your company side on manual or automated basis on how to compare it with each other. Step 2: now you need to make proper Excel based cash book record on Excel or some accounting software in order to maintain properly. Then take a print out first, then compare it with bank statement on each transaction. Step 3: first take a pencil and take both documents of bank and company, then start with date, then check the amounts of your book to bank statements. If amounts are matched, just make a unique tick on both documents, which you can easily identify the amounts are matched. And if amounts are not matched, like some amount is showing on company book but not showed in the bank book, or the amount is showing in bank book but not showed in the company book, just circle the amounts on both the documents or highlight it with a highlighter. After checking all the documents, then take both the documents and give to the seniors and discuss with your seniors. Step 3: now the discussion begin. When you talk with your seniors about the issue first, then take his permission to check with the staff who is involved in cash transactions like cashier or cashier. Now discuss first with them the circle amounts in order to find the exact why the amount is showing on your company book but not showing in the bank book. If you find the answer, you can immediately take an action, like if writer forget to tell you that he did not deposit or cashier did not give some amount, etc., then you can easily identify or clear the circle amount on the spot. The remaining circle amounts which is still not identified, now you need to check with the bank, and remaining will be cleared after the discussion with the bank staff. Step 4: for identify bank reconciliations, you need to have a proper accounting software or Excel data in order to check amounts accordingly, because Excel have so many features like highlights or find options, which will be very helpful for the reconciliations, so that on the spot you can clear the highlighter or disputed amounts on Excel. But if you are using accounting software, it is easy to clear the amounts which are cleared or disputed amounts need to be remain in order to identify the exact situations. Through software operator, you can make favorable conditions of managing reconciliation on the software accordingly. Step 5: after being identifying all the steps, you can make the detailed bank reconciliation report on manual or automated software basis, and you can share it with the senior management time to time in order to avoid inconvenience. So these are simple steps in order to manage bank reconciliation. The final conclusion is all these steps are really favorable on managing bank reconciliation for some business, office, or small industry in order to make it perfect. That's all we have today. Thanks for joining us. Bye for now.